Right, so in this video I'm going to try and jump start these batteries. These batteries are dead. So what I want to find, let's get rid of that one. That's a 3 amp hour one. That's a 4 amp hour. So let's try the 4 amp hour because that'll be more useful. So I want to go on to the negative, which will get that in there. Stupid thing. Put that in there. And then we'll also go on to positive on there, and then set that on auto. Let's have a look. Sugar. What that says on my little meter. 10.92 volts. 10.7, 10.6. It's going down. That's up and down. But that's not enough to make the charger work. And with these Makita chargers, you can have different sounds on them as well. Just take the battery on and off and it changes the finish tone. It's got a few tones on there. And so that's charging. Obviously it says, yep, charging on that one. But then if you look at this one, when you put it in, it flashes no good. Corrupt battery, knackered battery basically. So I want to try and bring it back to life. So what I'm going to do is on this battery then, let's see what this one's got. Positive. Negative. And this one, he says, look at that, it's got a decent amount of voltage. 19.38 volts. So that's going to be a good battery to jump start the rubbish one. Let's try that. So this, take this out for a sec. It's a good battery. And this is the corrupt one because I put a bit of blue tape on them because they've been knackered for ages. What we're going to do, knock that off, put negative. To negative. And this is where you might get a bit of a splash. So that one's corrupt, so let's put that one in there. That one to that one. Right, so what we're getting on there, hopefully we are getting 18.58 volts. Right, so let's leave that for a little while and see if it charges that one up. Well, that's been going for about, I could say 10 minutes. So let's whip that one off. That one's good, ready to use for that one. So then now, what we're saying, this has got on it. So if we put that there, we test what it's got on it. It's got 18.1. So right, if it's holding that charge, get that out of the way, it should. No. Come on. Still doesn't like it. Just show you with this one. This is another corrupt one that doesn't charge. But when you put it in, it's got a bit in it, so that's why I'm reluctant to throw it away. Doesn't do anything. Well, it does a little bit, obviously. So that will need charging as well. Right, that's been about half hour to an hour, to be honest. So what's on that now? 19.5, but let's whip them out to see. I'm sure that one is a good one. This one is the bad one. 18.98, so let's see if it charges. No, still not. So let's whip this off. I've got both of them on for around half hour. So what are they saying? 18.16. Hopefully I haven't wrecked the other batteries. Spot on, charger works. It's working. No, nothing. So then still 2 dead batteries. What am I going to do with them?